How to create a new meeting using link in Google Meet. So the first thing is open up the app. Once you've opened up the app, so this is the home page. The next thing you do is at the bottom here, you see a camera icon, the new meeting there, you click on it. And then you can see it open up the options, 3 options for us. We can create a new meeting using the link, schedule in Google Calendar, or create a group. So we select create a new meeting. Now it has generated the link for us. So this is the joining information link which people will use to get into the meeting. Now you can share using the share icon here. You can join the meeting over here, or you can just copy the link and post it to the person you want to join the meeting. So that's it. Create a new meeting. You can share. When you click on the share, to take you to join the meeting on Google Meet, click this link. You share to the person you want to join the meeting like this, and you click on send, and that's it. It's sent to the person. Or you can do through Telegram, some internet messaging, Drive, Facebook, Gmail. Then there are all the options. You can use it. You can use them to share the link.